Getting started is simple. Just 3 steps to your first simulation. Start by drawing your walkable area. Click to place points, then press C to close the shape, or use auto boundary to create one instantly. Don't forget to add an exit along the edge so agents have somewhere to go. Next, you can guide movement using journey mode by adding waypoints. If you skip this step, agents will automatically head to the nearest exit using the shortest path. Once everything is set up, hit run. JuPedSim will stream trajectories in real time, so you can replay and explore what happens. Open the Analytics panel to review exit flow, density maps, and evacuation times. You can also adjust agent colors and add contour overlays for more insight. If you need help, the menu adapts to what you are doing, showing useful tips and shortcuts when you need them. Have feedback? We'd like to hear it. Open an issue and let us know what would make this better for you.